or it's going to continue to burn.
Something the thermal imaging camera backs up. The cold jet of CO2 only becomes truly effective at close range. That's a problem, because the myth would have us believe it can hold back a full-sized flamethrower 25 feet away. And a close look at the high speed confirms the poor result in terms of distance.
Okay, I'm definitely pushing the flame magnet here at just under 10 feet. I think I'm about to put it, there it is, I put it out.
But you had to almost be covering me with the CO2 for it to go out and in the clip.
They're 60 feet apart, so I absolutely need to beef that thing up.
Yep, based on the results so far, the team believes the standard extinguisher used in the clip will have no chance. And if that's the case, Adam wants a backup to ramp it up. So he'll be making a second extinguisher with extensive modifications and using the force.
Here's what's happening. I clearly need more power. I'm going to start this experiment process by measuring the 15-pound fire extinguisher using my pressure swingometer. And I'm going to be comparing that against all my subsequent measurements from all the modifications that I'm going to make. It might seem that what's happening here is a meeting of opposites. Fire, like the thing that puts out the fire. But in fact, it's actually just about force. The fire is pushing forward with a force, and I need to meet that with an equal and opposite force. I don't need a white, billowy cloud going to 25 feet. I need to push the fire back from 25 feet. So I'm going to start by increasing the size of my extinguisher. I'm going to go from 15 pounds to 50 pounds. Then, with a few modifications, we'll see if I can get that pressure wave extending out almost 25 feet. Go.
While Adam looks to beef up his blast, Jamie invites his inner pyromaniac to the party by making a military-grade flamethrower.
My task now is to make an honest-to-goodness flamethrower. That's going to be the manifold, and given that we're using high pressures, flammable fluids, and they're lit, I need to make sure